Hi everyone, myself HRITIK YADAV. In this video I am going to teach you one of the hardest question which you can see in the blue book app. So without any delay, let's go through the question what it is saying. The function f is defined by fx equals to a square root x plus b where a and b are constants. In the xy plane, the graph of y equals to fx passes through the point minus 24 comma 0 and f24 is less than 0. Okay, which of the following must be true? So what we understood from here is this x minus 34 is given when x equals to minus 34, y must be 0, and when x equals to 24, y must be less than 0. So we need to put this type of condition. So what I will suggest here, one thing to you is, if you do this question in paper manually, then it can take a much longer time, which we don't have in our official exam or test. So we'll directly jump into the Desmos and I'll teach you how you can do in some seconds. Okay, so what we'll do, first we'll make table, and then what I have told you, when x equals to minus 24, y must be 0, and when x equals to 24, y must be less than 0. Y less than 0 means you can put minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, any of the value. Okay, so I'll put here is minus 1, and then just you have to do nothing, just you need to copy this function here. Okay, so this fx also means y. Okay, I think you know this, I don't have to do, because as you can see here it is also clearly said y equals to fx. So what we'll do here is y equals to y in terms of, instead of fx. Okay, y1 and then a square root x1 plus b. Okay, so we did it, and let's check it, which of the following must be true. So here is the answer, and as you can directly see, a is less than b. One condition is already been true here, which is option number D. Okay, so this is true. A is greater than b. No, a is not greater than b. When x equals to 0, y must be minus 24. No, because as you can see here, when x equals to I'll put here x equals to 0, and then as you can see y equals to minus 0.70. it is not minus 24 or 24. So this a and b will cross out, and c also crossed out, so remaining is answer is D. Okay, hope you guys you like this video, and if you have any doubt related to this type of question, then you can comment down below, and I will make this solved question in next video. Okay, thank you.